So, telling you again, when you have a chance, ask for your numerological map. It shows everything about your life because it's based in your date of birth and your single name, the first name you receive in the current life. It tells everything about your karmic lessons, karmic debits, your positive talents, positive qualities, your limitations, negative points, because when you know the negative points, the limited points, you work on them to become better, and you take away all stuckness of your life, in the way of your life, and you have more chance to become more prosper in all senses, in your material life, in your affective life, health, everything. How do I get my numerology map? You can get it on my bio. Click in my bio and then you go to you can go in my website. More easy. Go to my website. Let me type it here. You go to chrisngalasco.com, and on the menu on the top of the page there is numerological map. Even being Portuguese, no worries. The map is the website you can translate to any language. Then you just select English and you are going to read the one page in English, and there is written everything included in the map and the value and etc. And I can give you your map in English, you know. Despite it's there, this page is in Portuguese, I will translate the map for you. What is the difference? I like that question. I love all questions. What is the difference between the numerology map and the zodiac? The zodiac is more related to astral map. It's about the planets, the stars, is a different universe of knowledge. The position of the planets, when you were born, things like that. But the numerology, Kabbalistic numerology, is much more precise. It's much more, involve much more knowledge, self-knowledge, principally. Knowledge about yourself. When you know more about yourself, you empower yourself, you know, because you know you. You can't neglect that is not true. Look at the website, Chrisane Galaschi, go to the menu, Kabbalistic Numerology. Click and read. And you can purchase directly with me too, using Zelle and no pay taxes. Fee, for gratify this numerology map. Oh my God, you will love to know. And another thing I do is the psychic captation. You can ask to know news from your husband, or to ask a spiritual treatment for him. Because even when we pass away, we lose our physical body, the flesh, the bones, but we're still alive and he might need help. Then this in the future is another thing anytime you could do this week, you know, if you can, if you are able. The psychic captation for you too, for you go through this transition you are passing through, become in balance as fast as possible for you to enjoy the life. I also recommend to you the psychic captation. You can know about it on my website. Go there, psychic captation, click and read about. And I can email to you also more details, information about what is it, how it work. I'm pretty sure you will love to get one psychic captation. What is it? I, as therapist and one sensitive of my team, we investigate, treat, clarify based on the gospel, because the foundation of our